Hi, my name is Amrish. I'm the head chef at Mahal by Atul Kocher at JW Marriot Marquee. It's a dish which has got different components and different elements. All these flavors will come together, they will bind together, and you will have the very balanced flavor in the dish. We are using this banana leaf to wrap the chicken. It's very crispy. All your flavors, all your juices will seep out. So you can take your banana leaf, just splash it in the oven for 30 seconds, or you can just dip it in a boiling water to make it pliable. It will be like a handkerchief, and you can wrap your chicken in this leaf. No cracks, nothing. So your dish will be moist. It has got all the flavors that you have added. Please enjoy. Do see us at Mahal by Atul Kocher for Miele Dubai Restaurant Week. I'll be there to welcome you. Thank you.